The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has launched an investigation into the suspected killing of a detainee by another detainee at the Chapelton lockup in Clarendon. As Amoy Harriet reports, the deceased man's family is distraught.
I feel bad enough for feel it to me heart.
Dudley Williams barely slept Sunday night. Sometime around 3 a.m., he woke to news that his nephew, who had been in police lockup since Saturday, was killed. The deceased 33-year-old Rakima Bravo was being held at the Chapelton police lockup in Clarendon on charges of assault at common law and malicious destruction of property after he attacked his grandmother with a knife and destroyed her property. He was offered bail, but no one in his family showed up to the station. His grandmother is heartbroken. TVJ News understands that Mr. Bravo shared a cell with 5 other detainees. Commanding officer for the Clarendon Police Division, Superintendent Carlos Russell, is theorizing that the killer is among the 5.
They are saying that he fell and hit his head, but we know how prisoners think. So we believe that there was some confrontation in the cells, and that would have led to his death.
However, the family is pointing fingers at the police as they say the deceased was mentally ill. They contend he should have been brought to a mental institution rather than being locked up.
He done bad. When he has a mental thing, so when he take him, he go on with a lot of little thing. Chop down the place, the banana them and any little thing, and the fall them in my run out to fall them off of the roots and this stone, and you know, them look away there. So he have a mental problem. So, you know, really want can trouble nobody on the street or so.
Me think the police should carry him go, make him get help. Then him should not in a jail.
But Superintendent Russell says the police were not aware of Mr. Bravo's mental challenge, and according to residents, there are others like Mr. Bravo. They say they are living in fear as a number of mentally unstable individuals reside in the community.
We need somebody to come and assist those persons because persons are here that they can't control them none no matter what you do. Meanwhile, my friend, my brother have the same problem. And I run and I put them off here up and down. Just last night, I tried to kill them. So we ask the authority if they can find some way, somehow, to make somebody come in the community, come assist them.
In the meantime, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is investigating the incident. In a release, it said head injuries were observed during the preliminary investigative inquiries. However, the official cause of death will be determined during the post-mortem examination. 2 makeshift iron weapons were also found inside the cell. Now, INDECOM is asking Mr. Bravo's family to contact its office. Since the start of the year, INDECOM has commenced investigations into 9 deaths in custody incidents, of which 3 occurred at a police station and 6 within the precincts of a correctional institution. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.